Welcome to this morning practice, where we'll start our day with clarity, gratitude, and intention. Make sure you're relaxed and comfortable as we begin, and gently close your eyes. Give these next few minutes to yourself and completely focus on your own well-being. There is nothing else you need to be doing right now. Sometimes it seems like the world is getting noisier every day, but these next few minutes of peace will help prepare you to have a beautiful day today, no matter what's going on. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, relax into it. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax even more. Take one more deep breath in, and this time as you exhale, relax completely into it. And feel that today is going to be a beautiful day. Bring your awareness to your breath as you breathe naturally. As you inhale, feel the coolness at the tip of your nose and let it all go. As you breathe in, feel the gratitude in your heart for waking up today. Able to breathe, able to feel, able to be in the presence of this vast and beautiful world. If your thoughts begin to wander off, that's okay. When you notice them wandering, just bring your awareness back to your breath. Feeling your ribcage expand as you breathe in, and letting it all go. As you inhale, breathe in the beauty and wonder that this new day brings. And as you exhale, relax. Remember, you're exactly where you need to be. I want you to feel the intention you have for today. What do you want to do? How do you want to feel? How do you want this day to go? Be specific and really feel it in your heart, feeling a sense of celebration as if it's already come true. Today is going to be a beautiful day. Begin to take nice deep breaths here. Notice how each breath you take fills you with energy. And just continue taking these deep breaths for a few moments. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your awareness to the empty space in between your breaths. Notice the space in between your inhale and your exhale, and in between your exhale and your inhale. Notice the stillness that's in this space. Feel the peace that's in this space. The space between your breath is pure presence. Now let yourself smile and bring to mind something that you're grateful to have in your life right now. It can be a person, a thing, this moment. Just spend a few moments feeling this gratitude as deeply as you can, remembering how blessed you really are. Whatever happened yesterday is over. Today is a brand new day, a fresh start. So become aware once again of the intention you set for today and really feel it, along with your gratitude for your life in this moment. As you start your day, keep these things in your mind and enjoy them. Bring them with you as you gently open your eyes and smile. Let's have a beautiful day.